Hello and welcome to today's tutorial where I'll show you how to turn off email notifications for the X, formerly Twitter, app on your smartphone. So let's get started. First, open the X, Twitter, app on your phone. Then, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner to open the menu. Next, select Settings and Support. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. After that, tap on Notifications. From the Notifications section, select Preferences. Now, select Email Notifications. Here, you can either toggle off specific email notifications or simply turn off the button next to Email Notifications to disable all email notifications. Once you've made your selection, exit the settings. And that's it! You successfully turned off email notifications for X, Twitter, on your smartphone. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.